Acuuman kese pontos go tupte achola kinete president kanwa ike Nigeria na itunga luko kwap. Emane jalo yaita kipi nuitolometi nyamat kokide Patrick Okotel ngesi abala ejoka Acuuman noi itosoma ejok kanalom no chan.
The Eastern Uganda 83 small-scale irrigation projects of this nature, 83. And we have distributed these projects in this region. The Nexus Green project has started. It started in July 1st. And we are now doing the studies and we have detailed designs at certain projects. I am happy to report that in Soroti district, we have a site in Ajepet, in Oregai, Asuret, sub-county. We have a site in Abia, in Owelai Parish, Gweri sub-county. We have a site in Ogolai, Arabaka Parish, in Arapai sub-county. And we have one in Owelai.
Apollo Kinto Necholong LC5 Soroti Simon Peter Edoreku ngesi abu ikwenya itunga isacha muna Acuuman kosodi alimokin minister abokata ni ipisela garia teteritunga ejala kineta korisama
tojoka jaro wala mukian etojoka jaro wala suman na reperik Akoriok kadum ni kapundis le pera kusega inke skalia districta kote lipe minister of water and environment aguara boys ne gwene fence la gogongon keda nyare e project lo opwa kata misiri ne pedo ko se gwe kina kipitoma keda ayanga re project lu otemo akicheda tungalo ministry ngara iso egwesi aboro ni pisera gariada oya pete kila borena ije nyamata oja garia oja na master kitugudanyo akipi
lo aboy kita Apollo Kinto na jakanto Soroti Paulo Otuba ngesi abu ikwenyi tunga mama muna projects lu narai eja kilu ipu edumnuneta swamsine kotoma
ana Icokicoket Iraan so ichamuti chutebe ijai ilosi keda na peta no puga ne no anyu ne be tunga kere dolete adoketa itina aje utkedi kapunu lu pedota tosomo kalia ido kwape e district ikoto ai lepe kededa ai sinyiko ikintunga kerebe ilosi anyu ne be akiro ni kamanara kede ayu arisban ka edeke kwape na terai kito ikoto ayangar kwape ne polo nare wanyu ka jula kinore kuselo ikwamni
apoda Acuuman utunu catch
akureno esukuma wiki doko pana kai teteresu ajengo tamte asombor le jakuka anu egwe kini nyamato sokoni kile boda tana tongala tutu bet ake polebe sukuma lo joko ngesi ana nyamat nene ko pana para shaka no na de bwana ra kwap ge nyamat ne poteto ngala tutu bet egwelete la potakan le lukumut odumu di dialo pajokan.
Initially we used to get tomatoes for domestic use from Soroti market, and mainly it was brought from Bugishu region. This is my first time to grow these vegetables, tomatoes. And according to the mathematics I see, this is like 2,200 plants. If one plant can be able to give me one kilogram, and I sell it at 2,000 a kilo, that's already 4 million.
Relax Emi Alomu, Paul Watala, TV East, Soroti.